Create a seat that allows you to feel tall and supported, but also not forced or restrictive. You're welcome to let your eyes drift down to a spot in front of you or closed. And take a deep breath in, roll your shoulders up by your ears. Exhale, take them back and down. Again, inhale forward and up. Exhale, take them back and down. One more time, forward and up. Exhale, back and down. Let your palms rest either down or up on your lap. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. And imagine a white ball of light on the top of your head. And it can be small to start, but see if you can let the white ball of light expand so that it is the width of your head. It has the same diameter as your head, the white ball of light. Now imagine the white ball of light moving through the top of your head into your skull, filling up your head space. Imagine the white ball of light filling up the space in your jaw. Imagine the white light moving down into the neck. And as this white light moves down through the head, the jaw, through the neck, imagine it clearing out any stuckness or clutter. Imagine the white light filling up the entire space of your head, your jaw, your neck. And continue to imagine the white light moving down into your shoulders. Imagine the white light filling your chest, your upper back. And let the white light move down into the upper arms, into the rib cage. Imagine the white light moving down into the elbows, the abdomen. Imagine the white light moving down into your forearms and into your pelvis. Imagine the white light moving down into your hands and your thighs. Imagine the white light filling up your fingertips and your knees. Imagine the white light moving down into the shins and calves, filling up the whole lower leg. Imagine the white light filling up the ankles, heels, arches of your feet, and all of your toes. Imagine the white light filling up your entire body, every nook and cranny, filled with this white light. It's possible. Imagine the white light filling your body so much that it starts to expand out your pores. You start to radiate this pure white light an inch or more beyond your skin. Notice if it stays close to your body or if it expands beyond. Not trying to force it, just letting it be. Take a deep breath in. And bring your palms to touch each other at the center of your chest. Inhale. Clearing breath out. Put your thumbs to the middle of your forehead. We bow forward in gratitude for this practice that came to us from India and brought us together today. Thank you.